And time now for this versus that. Today, two chefs are vying for your food dollars. This is celebrity chef and tapas king Jose Andres. Despite there being more than 300,000 fast food restaurants in the United States, he thinks, hey, I can get into this. The chef recently told Vanity Fair that he'll be starting a fast food restaurant in 2015, and he points to Bobby Flay's Burger Palace and Steve Ells' Chipotle as the model for the success he thinks he can achieve. Well, that is Paula Deen, the Southern queen of fried fare, is ready for a comeback. Deen's image and money-making ability took a huge hit last year over racial remarks. While dealing with that, she's planned a new $20 million restaurant right next to Dolly Parton's Dollywood theme park in Tennessee.